Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make crab Kerala style, only way. Start by cleaning fresh crabs and chopping aromatics finely. Heat coconut oil, toast mustard seeds and curry leaves until fragrant. Add ginger, garlic, and onions and sauté until translucent. Stir in ground spices, coconut milk, and tamarind, then simmer with crabs until cooked through and sauce thickens. Finish with chopped cilantro and a squeeze of lime. Begin with a balanced spice blend and freshly ground black pepper. Measure spices precisely and dry roast until aromatic before grinding to enhance flavor. Use thick coconut milk and add it gently to avoid curdling, stirring constantly on low heat. Cook crabs in sauce for about 8 to 10 minutes until shells turn bright and meat flakes easily. Adjust salt and heat at the end and rest for a few minutes before serving with rice. Quick recommendation if you enjoy long reading while waiting for your curry to simmer. I often read recipes while the masala develops. Please subscribe and like if you are finding this video helpful. On another note, try the new Kindle Paperwhite for reading anywhere with great battery life and a crisp display that holds up against humid kitchens. Check the description for the link and other deals before you buy. Now let's get back to the video. Pro tips keep the dish authentic and vibrant. Use fresh curry leaves and grated coconut for texture and aroma. Apply gentle heat to prevent overcooking the delicate crab meat. Balance sourness with tamarind or kokum to brighten the gravy. Serve hot with steamed rice, appam, or nirdosa, and garnish generously with cilantro and green chilies. Let the flavors meld for 10 minutes after cooking to deepen taste and improve texture. Taste and tweak spices before serving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.